Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix email notifications not working on iPhone. Start by ensuring that notifications are enabled for the Mail app. Open the Settings app. Now, go to Notifications. Here, scroll down to File the Mail app on the list. Then, select it. In this menu, make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also, ensure that both Lock Screen and Notification Center are enabled so you can receive alerts even when your phone is locked. Similarly, if you're using a third-party email app like Gmail or Outlook, you'll need to make sure that notifications are enabled for those apps. If notifications still aren't working, check if focus mode is enabled by scrolling down on the home screen and looking for the focus icon. If it's on, turn it off or adjust the settings to allow notifications. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, you can try removing and re-adding your email account. To do this, scroll down and tap Apps. Here, scroll down to File the Mail app on the list. Next, select Accounts under the Mail section, which will show you a list of all the email accounts currently set up on your device. Find the email account that's causing the issue, and tap on it. Scroll down and tap Delete Account to remove it from your iPhone. After deleting the account, go back to the Account section and tap Add Account. Choose the type of email service you use and follow the prompts to enter your email address and password to re-add the account. Once the account is successfully re-added, check if the email notifications are working properly again. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below.